Yeah, there's something I need. Jewelry, art, earpods. Nice t-shirts. Oh, Hawaiian shirts. They only had my size. This is supposed to be walking only, but like every place else in Hanoi, they don't really follow the rules. Got a little food, some hats. I haven't walked through here yet, but this looks like a pretty large market. I mean, you can see how far the lights go. Sometimes easy to walk through, sometimes not. The North Face bags and designer wallets. Them are nice, very nice. It's very rare that I buy something when I go to these markets. I just can't carry it all. But before, I never did this long of a trip before. If I saw something I really liked. Hello. No, thank you. Selling water and beer. The other side's not very busy.
Oh.
Your perfumes. That place is having a party inside. Getting tired of shooting the back of them ladies' heads. And my walk around didn't work. Try it again. Lots of shoes.
Go back to the room.
Nice bags.
Con đi chơi.
I guess they don't think when they block the street to block off the cross streets too. There's a lot of very nice stuff here. Here on the sidewalks, all the shops have got their stuff out on display. It's really hard to get a shot of a lot of this stuff. Looks like it ends up here a short ways. I really want to check out this side. These are always popular. Stuff for the kids. I like them baskets. Wouldn't mind having a few of them. But again, this is June. No, this is July, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go home the end of August for a few months, maybe beginning of September. We'll have to see how it all goes. So my budget's held up pretty well. I've only spent about 50% after 7 months. Originally, this was a 7-month trip, so I've kind of extended it. Okay. Next, I'm headed to Osaka. Never been to Osaka. And I also want to make a run while I'm there down to Kyoto. So these videos may not release in the right order. I am really far behind. There's some that, because I am so far behind, probably never get released. And if I do, it'll be, you know, a ways in the future. There'll be some while I'm home a few months getting released during that time period. Oh, nice dolls. Luggage, shoes, shirts. More perfumes. Toys for the kids. Or keychains, I'm not sure which. Know a lot of the teens like carrying these little cute things on their backpacks and key rings. Even though when I was a teen, it wasn't a thing back then. Neither was backpacks. Or cell phones, or many of the things they have now. It's not too crowded on this side. I like that. From Dragon Ball Z. Earmuffs. Or something like that. More. Nice bags. Fans, lots of fans. Lighters. More action figures. And I couldn't tell you a single place that I've seen back home that sells action figures. There might be lots of them, I don't know. When I'm at home, I either shop online or when I go to the store, I know exactly what I want. I go in and get it and leave. I don't roam around much. Nice. Oh, I like the little ducks. I did see something back here I was interested in buying. Reached around and realized that I do not have my wallet. So, this market is right here by Aldo. So we seem to be in the center of everything. There's a fountain. So this seems to be mostly a walking street now. KFC. Oh, another hot night. I'm going to end it here. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Check the links in the description. And I will see you in the next one.